The scope of technical education in the world is vast and continually expanding. Here are some key aspects to consider. 3. Globalization. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, technical skills become essential for participating in the global economy. Technical education provides individuals with the competencies needed to work in multinational companies, collaborate on international projects, and adapt to diverse cultural and technological environments. 4. Innovation and entrepreneurship. Technical education fosters innovation and entrepreneurship by nurturing problem-solving skills, creativity, and a mindset geared towards finding solutions to real-world challenges. Many successful startups and disruptive technologies emerge from the ideas and efforts of technically skilled individuals. 5. Adaptability and lifelong learning. Technical fields are constantly evolving due to advancements in technology. Therefore, individuals with technical education backgrounds must possess the ability to adapt to new tools, methodologies, and paradigms throughout their careers. Lifelong learning is a fundamental aspect of staying relevant in technical fields. 6. Government initiatives and investments. Governments worldwide recognize the importance of technical education in driving economic growth and competitiveness. Many countries have implemented initiatives to promote STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, education, support research and development, and provide funding for technical institutions and programs.